Today, we're making a layered Mandala reindeer for Christmas that could be used as an art piece or ornament on a tree. This project starts with applying paper masking tape on 1/8 inch Eco Birch plywood to protect it from scorches and burns from my laser cutter. When I'm done applying the masking tape, I load up my Glowforge laser cutter, lay the plywood on the crumb tray, and start the cutting process. For this reindeer art piece, I decided to keep the finish to one type of wood. This Eco Birch has a natural light color with a semi-gloss finish. You could use whatever materials and colors works best for you. The mandala pattern was based on a snowflake with lots of lines and angles radiating from a central point. The pattern also has a bold appeal, so it resembles the roughness of a reindeer's antlers. If you're interested in learning more about my process, you can check out the layered geometric mandala project here on my channel. The laser file for this layered mandala reindeer is also available in my Etsy shop. This process took 17 minutes to cut all 3 layers and a nose from one piece of Eco Birch plywood. Once the pieces were cut, I brought them over to my work table and organized them so that each layer was facing the correct direction. Now, we can remove the paper masking tape from the wood. When I finish removing it from each piece, I make sure to keep them upright in the same position so that they're organized for stacking later. Now, I bring over my Maxi Gear super glue, apply it on the back side of the nose, and attach it to the top layer. While waiting for the glue to dry, I flip over the middle layer with the smaller pattern cutouts and apply glue to it. I focus on getting glue around the entire perimeter before working my way inwards and applying a dab of glue at the intersections of the lines. Then, I flip over the piece and align it with the bottom layer, which is mainly solid with a handful of cutouts. Once they're aligned, I press and hold the pieces until the glue starts to adhere. Now, I repeat this with the top layer that we glued the nose onto. Now, the layered mandala reindeer is complete, and this is how it came out. One of the best parts about a project like this is that you can customize it to your own personal preferences or sell it as a kit where the buyer can paint each layer and assemble it on their own. For example, you could use a darker wood like walnut for most of the layers and paint the nose piece red to make it look like Rudolph. If you enjoyed this project, check out my other woodcraft videos and consider subscribing. I'll see you again next week.